Hey guys, it's Chris from CW Builds, and today we're doing an unboxing of the XF270H 27-inch Full HD monitor. It's 0 frames, FreeSync and G-Sync compatible, with a 1 millisecond response time and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It features one 1.2 display port and one 2.0 HDMI ports. Let's get started. Watch your toes. Box has some directions here. I don't think we'll really need them. Take the box away. Unfold the top or the back more like. And here is our monitor. It's actually pretty thin. Hold on. Put that aside. Put that aside. On the back we have some warranty and directions and DisplayPort cable, a DisplayPort cable, a power cable, the mounting base, and the mounting arm. Let's get it put together. Alright, we're going to start with the base here. Take our arm. This side is the front. Going to put them together. Take this little screw in the back. I'm not sure if you can see that real well. Right there. And we're just going to screw the base into the arm. Easy peasy, no big deal. And done with that. Get our monitor unwrapped here. This is the bottom, indicated by the indicator light. When we have a peel here. Go. Information tag right there. And here is the back of our monitor. Super duper easy. These two prongs will go into the top, and then these two will hook into the bottom. Like that, and push down. Monitor secure. On the bottom side here we have a power switch, power port, 2 HDMI, a display port, and a headphone jack. This is actually missing features that it's supposed to have. Anyways, let's go ahead and get these cables plugged in while we have it turned over. It does have a swivel to the side function for vertical use, but once everything's plugged into it, it's not the easiest, especially if you don't have a lot of extra cable, which I don't. I like to keep my work desk pretty I like to avoid cable clutter. Alright. Now you may notice there's two monitors. That is because when I bought my first computer, let's say 8 months ago, 6 to 8 months ago, I actually bought this monitor at the same time, and I have been so happy with it that I bought another. It's done everything it's needed to. Gaming, schoolwork, video editing. Haven't had any problems with it. So I bought it at Best Buy, and originally I bought it at Best Buy. This time I went to Amazon, typed in the model number that I found on my Best Buy receipt, and ordered the exact same one. The problem is, even though they look the same, the new one is actually missing features that I have on my old one. It's missing 2 HDMI ports on the left side of the screen, and it's also missing 2 HDMI ports. It's missing 2 USB Type A ports on the side and 2 on the bottom, which isn't a big deal for me. I run my keyboard and my mouse through my primary monitor, and I don't need the extra 2 anyways. But I'm not sure why, if they're the exact same model number, unless Best Buy or Amazon mislabeled them, why one would have the ports and one wouldn't. That's a little frustrating. But anyways, let's get it started up. Turn on my computer. We'll give it a second to start up. As you can see here, there's a lot of dynamic range. The dimming from the dark to the light is actually pretty good. We're going to go over to the other screen. Looking at the black Hulu and Netflix icons, there doesn't seem to be much saturation of the light into the dark areas, which is really nice. Now I think we'll throw in some gameplay here. Alright, what you're seeing now, well, what you're going to be seeing, I have a camera here, recording the monitor full frame with a little excess. When I edit it, I'll cut that out so it looks more like a screen capture. We're gonna do some gameplay now, just so you can kind of see how it looks. This is Waffle, the king snake. He's about a month and a half old, I believe. He's a pretty chill dude. He's hanging out on a nice warm laptop. Pull which way? That way. Get to put my password in here. Now a lot of what you're seeing is more the rendering capability of the...
A new quest is available in your codex.
Of the AMD Red Devil 5700 XT. I'll look and see what our display settings are here. Full screen 1920 by 1080. Refresh rate was clock that up to 144 Hertz. Auto. I like that. Field of view's okay. Reflections, lighting, dynamic range. So basically everything is on high settings. Just seeing if there's anything that can be ultra high. Doesn't look like it. Anti-aliasing disabled. Nobody likes anti-aliasing. But yeah, you can see here everything is high settings. Looks good. The colors are pretty vivid. There's nothing that really looks funny. Oh, poor doggos. I'm probably going to speed a lot of this up so you don't just have to... Ooh, shit. Probably speed a lot of this up so you don't have to just watch me walk around. But you get the idea. It's a pretty good monitor. 1080p at ultra high settings. I feel like the colors, the shading, I feel like it all comes through really nicely. Again, that's a lot because of the 5700 XT, which is water cooled if you saw my build video. If you haven't, there will be a link in the description. And there will also be a link in the description for this monitor. Although I realize it's not coming with those HDMI ports that I thought it was when I ordered it. Well, let's get it first. You don't have to get them in order, but
You're nearing the console. Trigger the alarms now, and they will start destroying the data.
oh, it's one of those missions. I don't like these. That's just my... that worked. But yeah, you got to feel for all the colors and the shading, the lighting, local dimming. Now, of course, this doesn't have ray tracing. The graphics card doesn't have ray tracing, of course, but for not having it, looks pretty good. Sorry about the shakiness, that's just my hand. But I think that's all for now. If my opinions change, I'll let you guys know. If you haven't done it already, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.